The Water Buffalo song. Everybody's got a water buffalo. Yours is fast, but mine is slow. Oh, where do we get them? I don't know, but everybody's got a water buffalo.
Do you have some gum?
No, but I do sell Water Buffalo.
Well, I want some gum.
Hey, we sell gum over here.
Hi.
Do you want to buy a Water Buffalo? What'd you say?
So tell me, girl, what you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, 'cause you did. What you say? What you say? What you say? That is all for the thoughts.
What'd you say? Can you get your dog out of here? 'Cause I'm allergic. Bye. Hey, you, right there. Yeah. Do you wanna buy some Water Buffalo?
I gotta go. I have a meeting.
No, don't go. No.
The Water Buffalo song. Everybody's got a water buffalo. Yours is fast, but mine is slow. Oh, where do we get them? I don't know, but everybody's got a water buffalo.
Ducks, no. No, what the hell? You stop. Haley! What is that smell? Oh!
Do you want to buy it?
Why you recording that?
Knock my headphones out.
I recorded that. You recorded it? Child! Dog abuse! Look at the snow!
Oh, you almost got through.
Oh, too late.
You're acting like a slut. You can't do that.
Do
Not let him run. I'm not. He's gonna leave.
You suck your mom. Where's Haley? Haley! Stop, Josh! Haley, get in the camera!
I kinda can't.
Josh! Quit it!
Let me have the chip.
That's Haley.
Let me have the chip out.
Hold on.
Oh, wait, are we supposed to start?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be the other way. Oh, okay.
Hey.
Oh, now we start.
No, now it's
the red
started.
light's on. Be a blooper.
The red light's on.
Is on?
Yeah. We're recording right now. This should be a blooper.
Using the red light.